Salamat po sa lahat ng iniwan niyong kaalaman, alaala at pagmamahal sa amin. Hindi po namin kakalimutan ang bawat tawanan, iyakan at sigawan natin sa aming silid-aralan. To all of our most beloved Brigadier teachers, we love you so much more than you know. And most importantly, mahal na mahal ka naming Mother.
Thank you for all the things you've done for us all throughout the year. We appreciate your hard work for helping us to learn. And thank you for being our second parent inside the room.
We are sending our deepest gratitude to the loving teachers of Pinahero National High School Maine. We are grateful for the moments we shared together, for the lessons you taught, and for everything you sacrificed just to ensure that we learned something. Your teachings will help us succeed in the near future, and that's the best way to thank you, dear teachers of our alma mater.
Dear teachers, thank you for making our grade 10 journey easier and unforgettable. We appreciate your hard work, effort, and for being our second parents. And as we enter the new chapter, we will sail with the knowledge that you taught us. Sincerely, Numeros.
I'm on the rise.
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 I'm on the rise. I'm on the rise. I'm on the rise.
We are on the rise.